So here's a really important function to learn in Microsoft Excel, and this is the future value function. So this will give you the future value of an investment based on a periodic and constant payments. So think of you're saving a certain amount each month, and that would be at a constant interest rate. So the formula for this in Excel is here. So it's the rate, the number of payment periods, how much is being paid per period, and then your present value, which is defaulted to zero, and whether you're investing at the beginning or the end of the period, because that makes a difference for the calculation. So that's the formula there. So let's walk through an example. So let's say you have a $200 per month investment. So every month, let's just pretend you're saving $200, and you do that for 5 years in an account earning 6% interest annually. And let's pretend that that is a constant value that's going to happen throughout the period, which is 0.5% per month. So first you take the 0.5%, just a note here, that is 0.005 when you put it into this formula. And then that's for 60 months. That's why you have the 60 minus 200 is the invested value, and then 0 and 0. That results into a value of 13,954.01 if you're rounding. So if you take this out, you will see it's 0.006. That's why down here the result is shown as 0.00, even though with rounding is 0.01. But all these values are used. This is how this was calculated. 6% divided by 12 months. That's why it's 0.005, not 0.5. You'll get a very different result. So this future value function is really useful. It can return you the future value of investment, where the investment you're putting in periodic payments that are consistent each month, and then with consistent payments and interest rate throughout that period.